Comparing the top 3 electric kettles for your kitchen. When it comes to versatile kitchen appliances, electric kettles are a must-have. Today we'll compare the Pigeon by Stovekraft Amaze Plus electric kettle with 2 of its top competitors, highlighting their features, benefits, and what sets them apart. Capacity, 1.5 liters. Material, durable stainless steel body. Use cases, ideal for boiling water, making tea, coffee, instant noodles, soup, and more. Highlights: rapid boiling with a powerful heating element. Auto shut-off for safety. Sleek modern design with a comfortable handle. The Pigeon Amaze Plus is reliable, affordable, and perfect for small households or offices. Its compact design fits neatly in any space. Capacity, 1.5 liters. Material, stainless steel with a plastic handle. Use cases, boils water and prepares instant beverages efficiently. Highlights: 360-degree swivel base for easy handling. Built-in safety features like a single-touch lid locking system. Energy-efficient design. Prestige offers a robust kettle suitable for everyday use with added convenience for users. Capacity, 1.5 liters. Material, food-grade stainless steel.